you know you can clean your glass top stove using steam and a razor blade scraper? That's right, this powerful duo makes even the toughest burnt-on messes disappear. But if your stove is like mine, with layers of crusty buildup, it might take a little extra time. Let's see how it works. Hey there everybody, welcome back. Today I'm tackling my glass top stove, which has seen better days. I'll show you a simple and effective method using steam and a razor blade scraper to cut through even the most stubborn burnt-on messes. No harsh chemicals, just the power of steam and a bit of scraping. Let's get started. So I got this steam cleaner here, and I just like to work in little sections. So I blast it with a lot of steam, get it real hot. I get a nice amount of water on there and just kind of brush it back and forth. It's got a stiff bristle nozzle attachment on there, and so I think that helps also with getting the burnt material off. And then I use the scraper that has a nice bevel to make sure that I stay at the correct angle and reduce the chances of me accidentally scratching my glass top stove. And I do this process throughout the whole entire stove. And something that I want to pay attention to is all those little dots on the glass top stove. I can feel those on my scraper, and so you have to change directions while you're scraping it. Otherwise, you're going to end up with these little lines of unscraped, unclean, burnt on gunk. And so you go from the other direction, turn it 90 degrees and scrape it from that way, and you're able to remove all the burnt on material. The dots just add a little bit of height to that glass top, adding that little bit extra work you have to do to really get your stovetop clean. My stovetop was in such bad shape. It'd been so long since I'd cleaned it by any stretch of the imagination, and it just had a ton of burnt on gunk. And so it did take a lot of effort. My wife thought that I was on some sort of drugs or something because I was going crazy on this stovetop. But steam and a razor blade scraper are a game changer combo for glass top stoves. The steam loosens the mess and the scraper makes quick work of the rest. No harsh chemicals, no streaks, just a clean, shiny stove. It does take a bit of patience for stubborn messes, but the result speaks for themselves. If this method worked for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cleaning hacks, and share your tips for tackling tough messes. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.